Good morning, it's me Jimmy. So the question is that I'm 59 years old. Am I too old to get into digital marketing? Let me just try to be blunt. Watch this video till end. I do not care you subscribe or dislike. I have zero interest you being my subscriber. I'm selfish and I do not care. But the advice I'm going to give you maybe can help you. There are only three phases: young, manlyhood, mature, whatever you wanna call it, and old age. The young phase is that you are born till puberty, 14, 13 years, 15 years is your young age. After that you become mature. After 14, when you reach your puberty, up to your old age. The problem is that what is old? Back in the day, back in the dinosaur age, okay, maybe 200 years old was considered old, 150 years old was considered old. What is old? Right now, the old is simple. When your body is telling you cannot walk, when your body is fatigued, your bones are weak, you started feeling you are weak, you cannot carry a lot of weight, then you consider old. That is physical old. But what about the mentally old? Mentally old means when you cannot remember, when you start forgetting, that is old. Ask yourself, can you remember? Do you know your name? Do you know which street if you visit a restaurant, can you go back to that restaurant? Or you started forgetting something. If you think you are old, then you're old. If you think you're young, then you're young. It's all about psychology. Because digital marketing is not a physical labor, it's a mental labor. You're not going to do any physical thing, you're going to use your brain. Because when we are physical old, we can know we are old. Someone can tell us you are old, you cannot do this hard work. But what about the mind? Some people become old at 75, some people even become old at 45 because their brain start forgetting, unless you have a stroke or other disease. Stroke is a different story. If you are totally fine with the brain, then you are not old. Then literally you are not old. That will be, I will telling you, that will be my advice to you. I'm just trying to give this advice because it's going to help you. So if someone asks me a question, I'm at 59 years old, digital marketing is easy. I done my nano degree from Udacity back in 2017. I was teaching digital marketing as a coach also for Udacity. I was earning like $5,000 and nowadays you can do digital marketing. If you want to do digital marketing, I will recommend Next Academy. Do the online. There's a physical boot camp in Malaysia, but now due to pandemic you cannot go. I will recommend you to go and visit the physical boot camp. It's only around $1,000, something like that, $1,500 is a full-time boot camp. Okay, you can just buy a $1,000 ticket to Malaysia plus accommodation for another $500. So the entire boot camp will cost you only $3,000 less, plus you will be having a trip. But nowadays you can learn online. Online will cost you around $600-700. Next Academy, I will be throwing the link. I will recommend the Next Academy digital marketing bootcamp over the Udacity nano degree. Nano degree prices have gone up to $10,000, $10,000, which is super expensive. That will be my opinion. That is super expensive. That will be my opinion. You are not too old. Do not ask this kind of ridiculous question. Okay, asking is good thing, but you should take the answer from yourself. We live in a real world. We need a confirmation. The confirmation bias. If I say you are too old, if the society say you are too old, then you're old. Please do not rely on the confirmation bias. It can be a good thing, but I hate confirmation bias because the society is mad. Do not follow the society norm. Ask yourself, are you too old? If not, then you can learn. Subscribe and bye.